some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. 'Cause we need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers.
Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing. Running, scared, screaming at the top of my lungs. In my many minds, my heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside. Think about it, your gut can lie. Like when you're hungry but it hurts to eat. Do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad it tastes, I want it. Here's a metaphor for my life. I'm eating McDonald's to get healthy. Tell me how that makes sense. And I think I heard Bigfoot. Did he run away? I don't know. I would have invited him in my tent so we can drink some miso soup. It's dangerous. In peace. No. And talk about conspiracy theories. Maybe all night. I wonder if he believes in alien. We could look at the stars together. What if he is an alien? What if we actually become the best of friends?